1025 KNIX. We are Tim, Ben, and Brooke, and we're joined by some very special guests. Listen up if you have gained the quarantine 15.
Yeah, that's right. It's been hard not to. Just working from home if you do, or just being out of kind of our usual lifestyle and schedules and routines. We're joined by Mark Bentz and Dr. Suzanne Bentz from Red Mountain Weight Loss. How are you guys doing today?
Doing great. How are you guys?
We're doing great, thanks to you guys. Tim over here has lost 50 pounds.
Yep.
I've lost 20 pounds when I started this RM3 a couple of years ago, kept it off to this day. Barrel Boy has started the program just recently, and he's down. How many, Barrel Boy?
15.8. Not that I'm counting exactly.
Great. Congratulations.
And Brooke is up 5.4. So
We can help you, Brooke.
please, I was telling Mark that I'm getting married in March, and so I actually really do need to get on this program.
Yeah. How have you guys pivoted in this time when, you can't have patients come to the locations? You have statewide locations, and it's usually a very nice experience. All of your locations are very beautiful, and the staff is very friendly and accommodating. But how are things different now in this quarantine world we live in?
Yeah, well, thanks, Ben. We've been seeing a lot of patients reaching out with problems with stress eating, emotional eating, and so we want to support our patients. So we've adapted to video appointments. So now you're able to see one of our medical professionals right from your home and start on any one of our programs. And we're able to send you our patented prescription medications right to your door. So there's really no excuses.
Yeah. And it really is a great program. We've done the RM3. That's what Beryl is doing right now. Describe what RM3 is to people who may not quite get it.
Well, RM3 is our signature program. It's a 3-step program that consists of our patented prescription medication that helps you burn fat and lose weight quicker than on your own. And then we also have fat burning shots that you can take, or we can send you our Fat Burner Plus. And then we have a prescribed diet that consists of all real foods. It's lean meats, proteins, salads, vegetables, fruits, all things that you can get from home and are part of a healthy diet.
I just got to say, when I was eating those foods that are in the RM3 program, I felt so much better. I was clear mentally, physically. I was moving around better. I mean, and when you're in a quarantine like this, the last thing you need to do is feel bad mentally, because you're going to feel bad mentally already. But I think it's such a godsend to do it during this time.
Yeah, exactly. We were joking about the quarantine 15, but we're seeing people reaching out with junk food, too much alcohol, their sleep patterns are affected, and they just don't really feel good. And this has gone on long enough, and if it goes on any longer, we really want to prevent any further weight gain or unhealthy habits.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard too not wearing pants. Like it's a joke, but like when you don't put on your jeans and you're just in pajama pants and sweatpants, it's really easy to gain weight. That's what's happened to me.
Routines are really important. Getting up at the same time, putting pants on, as you said, Brooke, having proper meal times, sleep times, times for exercise. All those routines are really critically important right now.
Yeah, and as we've been talking about, Ben and I have been mentioning this, that right now you're offering these a special, if you will, the fat burner shots and the consultation for free for new signups, right?
Absolutely, we are, Ben.
Yep.
Yeah, a lot of people are saying enough is enough. This weight needs to come off, and it comes off quick with this program. You can lose up to 20 pounds in a month, and Tim and I we've been emphasizing, when it comes off quickly, you want to just keep going. And can you imagine going back to work and people going, "Man, look at you, quarantine did you well."
Absolutely.
I'm looking better than you went in is the goal.
Yeah. Exactly. All right. RedMountainWeightLoss.com has all the information. Do check it out. I will say that, in terms of ways that I've tried to lose weight in the past, this one, I was never hungry. I was never starving or craving, because you get to eat the real food and the weight does come off quick. So it worked for me. There's 50 pounds less of me than there was BC before Corona. So
good.
I believe it. Hey, Mark and Dr. Bentz, thank you so much for joining us, and good luck that this thing is over sooner than later, and we can all get back to seeing each other face to face.
Yeah.
Sounds
Thanks
good.
for having us, guys.
Thanks so much.
Take care. RedMountainWeightLoss.com. We're Tim, Ben, and Brooke, and this is 102.5 KNIX.